What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. As you can see, I am still in the garage today, and I'm hanging out in my robe, being a little lazy. However, I'm still here, except the difference is we've got Zeus here. We've got Zeus. My buddy Zeus is in the house. Now, of course, that means that some big things have happened if you are seeing Zeus. Yes, that means we have actually moved some animals over into the garage space here from my other space, and I'm very excited to share that with you. I also want to apologize if you were hearing the heater in the background. I'm just trying the other heater to see how it works differently, but it's a little noisy and probably won't keep it on when it comes to recording. But I guess we'll see at the end of this video just how loud and obnoxious that is. But yes, Zeus is here, and that is because we have brought some animals over. So let's check it out. Alright, so over here we got Zeus. So he is here. Down here we got baby Iroh. He is here. And then below him we got Rafiki, and he is here. So I just got some of the doors open, just kind of letting them roam around. Iroh down here was out and about, but he's taking himself back home. And Zeus is just kind of hanging out right here on the top. It's kind of coming out to roam. So yeah. That being said, so yeah, we've got those three snakes over. I also have Ozai and Zuko. Not Ozai and Zuko. Ozai, Yzma, and Krunk, my tarantulas. They are over here. And I also brought over Nanner and Bianca Del Leo, and my Leos, my leopard geckos. But they're not out here in the garage. I do have the tarantulas out here, but they're not out here in the garage because actually Ashley, who's newly loving reptiles, has been kind of wants them in the house so that she can kind of interact with them and like have that experience, even though she can do the same thing out here. But you know, whatever, she wants them in the house. I don't know how long that's gonna last. There's not much space happening in there for them, but I'm sure she'll figure it out, and if not, then they will come out here. But for now, they're in the house hanging out with her Froggo, as well as with Toph and Skellington, who she also requests to stay in the house because she enjoys looking in on them. They're small snakes, the ones that she's comfortable with. So that's working out perfectly. But yeah, I told you guys I would keep you updated on the space as animals moved in, and they are moving in. So I am updating you guys on that. It's just going to be a slow thing over time. This weekend we're going to get a bunch of stuff moved over. I'm not sure if we're going to get any more animals, but hopefully we can get some more animals, so I can be quick, so it can soon stop being a back and forth thing between this space to take care of these animals and in that space to take care of those animals. But so hopefully, we'll get some progress done this weekend. But either way, over time the animals are going to start flowing in, and it's going to be a smooth and great transition. So very excited about that. But also, just in time for all this to start happening, I have passed 600 subscribers. I'm very excited about it. It actually happened yesterday, but I was like on my phone when I actually passed the 600 or hit the 600 mark. But within an hour of that, it went back down to 599. So I'm not sure if that's YouTube being weird with its algorithm, or I'm not sure if somebody realized that they actually didn't want to be following me. But either way, I hit 600 yesterday, dropped back down to 599, and was there all day. And went to bed at 5:99 and woke up to 6:03. So that's awesome. Maybe something happened that, you know, some people came across one of my last videos and decided, yeah, I like this person. But great. Anyway, thank you all, all of you for getting me this far to 600 subscribers. That's crazy. That is wild to me. Like 400 more and I'll be at 1,000. That's insanity. And that's kind of my goal. I definitely want to get to 1,000. Didn't used to be my goal, but it's like I'm getting closer, so now it's like, oh, I want to get to 1,000. Mostly because I also want to be able to do lives on my phone, which I can't do until I hit 1,000. And apparently there's all these different apps and stuff that you can use, but I don't really have space for all that to be adding to my phone, to be adding more apps when I have videos and pictures and stuff that I'm recording at any given time, taking up all that space. So I'm not trying to worry about all those extra third-party things to go through just to go live on my phone. I'm just gonna wait till I get to the 1K, and then it'll be great. But right now, I'm just passing 600, and I'm super, super thankful for it. Thank you all for your support. Thank you all to all you new people that have come through. I know where a lot of you new people came through, which are not at all the reptile community, but that's cool. I love you all anyway. I support you. Stay up, stay high, and do your thing. But I'm really thankful for all the subscribers that I have. I hope I continue to draw more people in. Hope you all continue to like my content. I'm thinking about doing a Q&A thing. So like if you guys have any questions that you guys would like to ask, go ahead and put that down in the comments. I'll make another short little video because it's kind of getting long and people may not even get to this point of the video to hear this. So I'll make a shorter video and let people know to leave me questions. But if you have questions, put them in the comments here, and then I'll post another video, and then you can put more or put your comments there so that I can just have all the questions in one spot. But yeah, I want to do a Q&A video. I've never done one of those, so I figured I would just go ahead and put that out there, maybe make that happen for you guys. So anyway, I'm rambling now. I'm just very excited to have actually made it past 600, if not only to 600. But yeah, you all take care. Love yourselves. Love your loved ones. Love your reptiles. And you guys keep spreading those herbs.